Fantastic opportunity, 24 acres up on the famous Lookout Mountain, truly a piece of paradise. The land has it all. Brow views off the mountain from the lot on one side, and on the other side you will find gorgeous 24 level to gentle rolling hills acreage, so picturesque, it is otherworldly. Yes, the sale includes a bluff view lot as part of this large acreage tract. The property offers a wide variety of landscape foliage so beautiful it can't be put in words to do it justice, ready for your dreams on this blank canvas with hardwood trees, pine areas, wild berries and rock formations. You are able to hike the entire property through the road on the far left of the land, four-wheeler friendly, making for easier development and enjoyment of the tranquil setting. The location is situated in a prime corridor with the McLemore Club mountaintop world-class golfing, luxury homes, fine dining and the Hilton Resort, a few miles up the road. Whether you are looking to invest for future endeavors, build an amazing luxury estate or hobby/farm home of any kind, this land is perfect. The area is very private for nature lovers and offers a top school zone featuring Fairland Elementary School. For commuters, it is only 20 minutes to I-59, approximately 40 minutes to Chattanooga. For wildlife enthusiasts, the property is bordering CampAdahi of Girl Scouts of the Southern Appalachians. It is close to the Clouldland Canyon State Park and Crockford-Pigeon Mountain Wildlife Management Area for the outdoorsy hunting, hiking, rock climbing types. The area offers much diversity for any interest. With a short trip of 30 minutes, you can visit Rock City, close by Ruby Falls, art,